Binary relation. Ang binary relation ay isang ugnayan kung saan ang mga elemento mula sa isang set ay inuugnay sa mga elemento ng isa pang set o parehong set. Halimbawa, sabihin natin meron tayong dalang set A tapos set B. Isang halimbawa ng binary relation mula A patungong B ay relation 1A and 2B. Ibig sabihin, ang 1 ay nauugnay sa A, ang 2 ay nauugnay sa B. Reflexive relation. Ang halimbawa nito ay ang relation na R sa set A ay reflexive kung lahat ng elemento sa A ay nauugnay sa sarili nila. Ibig sabihin, dapat lahat ng AA ay kasama sa R. Halimbawa, set A equals 1, 2, 3. Ang relation R equals 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. Reflexive ito dahil lahat ng elemento ng A ay may pares na. Properties of binary relations. Kapag ang binary relation ay isang set lang, halimbawa sa set A, pili natin itong suriin kung may properties tulad ng reflexive, tulad na nasa example ko kanina, lahat ng AA nasa R. Symmetric, kung AB ay nasa R, dapat ang BE ay nasa R din. Halimbawa, set A equals 1, 2, R equals 1, 2, 2, 1. Kaya ito ay symmetric kasi kung may 1, 2, meron ding 2, 1.
Symmetric relation. Ang isang binary relation na R sa isang set A ay symmetric kung sa tuwing ang AB ay nasa R, dapat ang B and A ay nasa R din. Kung ang A ay may kaugnayan sa B, kung gayon ang B ay dapat ding may kaugnayan sa A. Hindi mahalaga ang pagkakasunod-sunod. Transitive relation. Ang isang binary relation na R sa isang set A ay transitive kung sa tuwing ang AB at BC ay nasa R, dapat ang A and C ay nasa R din. Kung ang A ay may kaugnayan sa B at ang B ay may kaugnayan sa C, kung gayon, ang A ay dapat may kaugnayan sa C. Composition of functions. Parang ginagawa ang dalawang function ng sunod-sunod, ang resulta ng unang function ay nagiging input ng pangalawang function. Inverse functions. Ang inverse functions ay binabaliktad ang ginagawa ng original na function. Parang meron kang function na ginagawa ng yelo, ang tubig, at ang inverse nito ay ginawang tubig ulit ang yelo.
What is binary relation? A binary relation is a relationship between elements of two sets. More formally, it's a set of ordered pair A and B, where A is an element from one set and B is an element from another set. So the example is A has 1, 2, and 3, B 4, 5, and 6. A binary relation R from A to B could be R. R stands for relations. Then 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. This relation R means that 1 is related to 4 and 2 is related to 5 and 3 is related to 6. The relation could represent is less than plus 3. So 1 is related to 4 because 1 plus 3 equals 4. Reflexive relation. A reflexive relation is a binary relation R on a set A, where every element in A is related to itself. In other words, for all elements A in a set A, the ordered pair A and A must be in R. Let's say we have a set A, 1, 2, and 3. For relation R on a to be reflexive, it must contain the following pairs: 1 and 1, 2 and 2, and 3 and 3. A reflexive relation R on A could be R, 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 1 and 2, 2 and 3. In this example, R is reflexive because it contains 1 and 1, 2 and 2, and 3 and 3, even though it also contains other pairs. That's it. Thank you.
The symmetric relation. A relation R is symmetric if whenever AB is in R, then BA is also in R. For instance, if we say that is a sibling of is our relation, then if one is a sibling of Maria, it must also be true that Maria is the sibling of Juan. So, symmetry is all about the relation working both ways. Finally, transitive relation. A relation R is transitive if whenever AB is in R and BC is in R, then AC must also be in R. For example, if A is taller than B and B is taller than C, then logically A is taller than C. This property creates a chain of communication. To summarize, reflexive means everything related to itself. Symmetric means relation go both ways. Transitive means relation can be passed along in a chain. These three properties are very important in mathematics and computer science because they help us to understand equivalence relation, ordering, and many logical systems. And that is all. Thank you.